Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Eden! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Kamakailan lamang na featured na content ang SB19 sa Rolling Stone Magazine online publication. Unang laman ng articles ay ang dance song, viral dance song ng SB19 na Go Up na kung saan exploded online talaga ito. Dito nagsimula ang lahat ng kanilang kasikatan. Simula noon kaliwat kanan ang kanilang pag-guest sa show ni Boy Abunda, kay Vice Ganda, at kay Tony Gonzaga. Yung panahon na sila ay nagjo-joke na magkaroon sila ng sariling pacing, sariling company, sariling management, at si Pablo ay binibiro nila o inaasar na maging presidente ng 1Z Entertainment. Sabi nga, wishful thinking evolved into larger ambitions. Talagang goal nila na hindi lang sila ang gusto sumikat. Gusto nila manghatak ng mga ibang artist na sisikat din sa buong mundo, lalo na ang kanilang kantang Basenga sa Billboard kung saan nangahatak sila at nag-iinganyo at nag-encourage na may Pinoy din na ganon soon. At ito nga ang sabi ng Rolling Stone Philippines. During their trainee days, the members would joke about building our own company, our own pacing, our own management. Wishful thinking evolved into larger ambition, creating opportunities not just for SB19 but for Filipino artists navigating in industry still figuring out how to support acts with global aspiration. In April this year, Pablo became the president of 1Z Entertainment at totoo nga nangyayari nga. While breaking free from restrictions seems to be enough reason to start one's own entertainment, SB19's effort in self-management are more of an exercise in responsibility and ownership of their work. 1Z Entertainment has always been about protecting our creative freedom and having full control over our direction as an artist. The group says, we wanted to make decisions that truly reflect who we are without limitations, which lead us to take ownership of our careers. Read the rest of this excerpt on RollingStonePhilippines.com. Pre-order a copy of Rolling Stone Philippines P-Pop special issue for May this year on Sari-Sari_shopping. Additionally, be among the first to get your print copy on June 15 to 16 when Rolling Stone Philippines join the AIA Rethink Healthy Zone event. Visit AIA Philippines to learn more. Special thanks to AIA Philippines. Photos courtesy of 1ZEntertainment.ph. Cover story by Pirated. Yan po ang ating update sa content ng Rolling Stone Philippines featuring ang ating mahalima SB19. Kaya thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.